Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2006 Mercedes-Benz E350, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. Its top features include memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, heated front seats, leather seats, cruise control, steering wheel controls, a premium audio system, a CD player, traction control and stability control systems, the Tele-Aid system, and this vehicle has fewer than 51,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Mercedes-Benz qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Now that you've seen the car of your dreams, come see the dealer of your dreams. Sewell. Service, sales, and efficiency so obsessive, you'll want to pinch yourself.